Hi all, my name is Maxwell and I work directly with manufacturers to streamline our complex processes like logistics using practical, embedded AI tools. When it comes to outbound shipments, planning how you move material is more than logistics. It's about protecting margin, maintaining flow, and avoiding the silent costs of underutilized trailers or poorly sequenced loads. We've spent time working with our manufacturing clients to build an AI-driven load optimization tool to bring speed, precision, and cost control to one of the most overlooked yet critical steps in fulfillment. Picture this. You're responsible for staging a high-priority shipment that needs to move in the next maybe 10 days. You've got bundled materials of varying shapes, densities, dimensions, some layered, some fragile, all under strict delivery customer specs. You estimate for maybe 12 trucks, but weight limitations, stacking rules, and mixed accessory bundles, and everything else, you're making a dozen judgment calls just to get the first trailer staged. And every guess on space, orientation, or balance risks wasted capacity, low damage, or missed delivery windows. When you're moving thousands of pounds per day, those inefficiencies add up quickly and can cost you time and, of course, money. Alongside our major manufacturing clients, we've developed a load optimization tool that embeds directly into our logistics planning tools for full visibility across all operations. With a single click, the embedded AI tool generates a full 3D load plan that accounts for your available space, orientation requirements, and load stability. It respects your site-specific stacking policies, confirms that materials are arranged exactly to spec, not just based off of theoretical cube efficiency. The engine also automatically balances weight distribution to reduce transit risk and, of course, comply with transportation constraints. Additionally, a real-time load diagram is generated for your material handlers, so staging and loading follow a clear, accurate execution plan. This isn't just about automation, it's embedded intelligence, tuned for how manufacturing shipments actually move. Our clients have reported reducing planning time, tightened cube utilization, and lowered freight costs, and they've seen fewer errors during loading and transfer. It's logistics optimization with production in mind. If your team is still building loads manually or guessing its way to truck counts, it's time to let AI help you out. By working with Crowe specialists, you can capitalize on more consistent cube utilization, lower freight costs, reduced time load planning, and of course, fewer shipment errors. Feel free to schedule time with our team or visit our AI transformation homepage to see how load optimization can help you move smarter, ship leaner, and eliminate guesswork from your outbound operations.